Hello guys, from Creative Design Supply again. We are going to talk about some print and cut material that you can use. We have a new product in here too. Let me jump in and tell you about some of these. We have the Silhouette brand printable vinyl, so you can print and cut on this. And you would not mirror your image on that. Okay, and then we have the matte version from Starcraft that you can print and cut on. This right here, you would need a UV laminate to go over it, so that way you don't get any fade or anything. So if you're doing a decal or on a cup, you would want to have this in store. Okay, and that would go on top of that one. And then we also have the holographic. It's pretty neat. For the print is the glitter. I don't know if you can see. Okay. And then this one is brand new. We have this one. This is the magnet sheets, printables. Okay, so you're going to put this one through your printer. Okay, you see the magnet part on this side, but then let me show you. This is the other side. Okay, so I have put my registration marks on, and I have traced it, not messed with it again. If you want to go into further in view and you don't know how to print and cut, I have a video that goes in detail for the dark and light transfer for print and cut. But I just wanted to jump on here and show you I'm testing this stuff out, one, because of the glitter. So I did a test right there. Didn't cut all the way through. So I'm going to adjust and see. I have already moved this over, and so where you see your blade is actually where it's going to do another test cut. So bear with me, it's going to be a little shaky for just a moment till I can get over here with my mouse. Okay, and I'm going to press test again. It's going to go over and adjust, then it's going to go right back over, and it's going to cut for me. And I can do that as many times as I need to. Okay, so, all right, I'll be right back. Okay, so that one didn't cut very good either. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to toggle down just a little bit. If you hold it too long, it'll really go with you. Let's see. Okay. Okay, my corner over there. Okay, so I have a good one. Let me move it over just a little bit. All right, so bear with me. Okay, so now we're back with the print and cut. And if you want to see a more detailed, like I said, of the print and cut and the steps to do it, I have that on the Intra Dark and Light Transfer for print and cut. Okay, so here I have the glitter, and I have already weeded it out for the stickers. Cut those out. They are so pretty. And those are the glitter ones. Okay, and then all my magnets, most of them came apart. Really easy. There's a setting for that, and you do the magnetic sheets, printable, not the adhesive ones. These already have the paper on them, so all you have to do is print and cut. I was worried about it going through the regular inkjet printer, okay, and it did perfect. It's thinner than I thought it was, but they stick really, really well. So if you have any other guys, so there it is.